got the keys. I got the keys.
Hey.
Gosh, welcome to my crib.
Woo!
Hi guys, welcome to my apartment tour. Come in, I'm so excited. So, you guys are in my hallway right now. Let's start with a cheeky little bathroom, right? Okay? So,
let's go.
This is my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. This is literally bathroom goals. I feel like if I was gonna make a dream bathroom, this would be it. Like, so Pinterest. It's like grey, neutral tones, you know, super like minimal. I love this sink. I know I'm an adult because I appreciate things like sinks and taps, like what the heck. But yeah, so it's square and it's just like, it's literally a vibe. Obviously it's basic, it's got a toilet, a massive mirror, which I really like, and a bathtub and shower. So, and it's got a towel rail. I mean, heated, honey, heated.
You can't be having cold towels, honey.
You want to come out the shower and have a cold little towel?
No!
That's not what we're doing today.
That's not what we're doing. Thank you.
Gotta switch off the lights because this got bills to pay, honey. Okay, so next is my bedroom. Ta-da! It's super big and super bougie like me. So this is my bed. This is a double bed. It's got a grey headboard, as you can see. My favorite part of the room is this built-in wardrobe, honey. To hang all my bougie clothes, you know? So far I don't really have much in there. This is basically an empty apartment tour because I haven't decorated it. I've just moved in, but obviously I'm probably gonna do another tour like when I get my kind of style, my decor in, because right now it's a bit plain, but it's still cute, right? So I've just got coats in here, into essentials, and it goes all the way to here. So and it's got so much storage up here, so I'm literally so excited because my old bedroom, I didn't even have a wardrobe. Like, my dad literally built me a wardrobe, so. But now we have a double. Now we have a double wardrobe. So yeah.
Double.
It's got this chest of drawer, lots of storage, and yeah.
You got a view from your room or whatever.
Oh yeah, I need to show you my view wall. Yeah, this is probably my favorite part of the room. Oh my gosh, look at the sunset. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's literally the prettiest sunset right now.
Yeah, you can see.
Yes. So my favorite thing is basically these triple French doors, and obviously it lets in so much light, so you know the pics are gonna be freaky, like cute little view. And yeah, so this is my room. It's a little excited. Oh yeah, I mean, can't forget the cheeky little ensuite. So I have another little ensuite for, obviously this will be my bathroom and the other will be a guest bathroom. So it just has the same sink, toilet and a shower. And the shower is actually amazing. You know the power showers? Honey. Massive mirror as well. Lots of storage here for all my bits and bobs. I'm living for this bathroom. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, follow me to my...
It wasn't recording. Just checking.
Next we have a guest bedroom. And this is what it looks like. Because obviously I don't want to be selfish. If my friends want to come around, then they have somewhere to sleep. So yes, a medium-sized room. I might actually change this into like my office. I'm not 100% sure yet. So a lot of space in here. Also has this massive window. Also opens up to the balcony, which is a little bit of a schmood. Yeah, so as you can see, I literally just moved in. So we're not sleeping. I haven't been sleeping on that or anything. So just relax, okay?
This ain't even your property. You just faking it for the video. Why do you not have bedding? Oh my god. What? Locked? Okay.
Instagram versus real life.
She's literally faking everything. She's about to collect her stuff and go home.
Okay, so this is it's just got my bits and bobs that I haven't unpacked yet. Sliding doors. Used. Yeah, so yeah. If y'all wanna come through, then you can sleep in here, whatever.
Okay.
This is another storage. I'm not gonna open that because it's not cute at all. But it's just got all my storage stuff in there so far. I haven't unpacked all my clothes, my suitcases. Okay, it's got another little heater.
Can't be getting cold.
It can't be getting cold when you're coming from my bathroom to my living room, you know?
Oh, we ain't trying to do that.
So now this is my living room. So this is my living room. It's an open plan. Come on through. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of cute, not gonna lie.
It's kind of cute.
So my favorite thing about this is open plan. So the kitchen and the living room is all in one. It's all just open and bright. And I'm obsessed. These cabinets are just for, you know, like cutlery and all of that. I haven't really put much in there yet. Like I've put plates and stuff. But yeah, so I'll show you that afterwards in my next one. Oh, it's so lit because everything is built in. Built-in oven. Built-in washer and dryer.
Okay.
And my favorite part, honey. Built-in dishwasher.
Okay.
Been washing dishes in 2019.
Oh no, honey, we ain't trying to do that.
But yeah, so it's super cute or whatever. Oh yeah, built-in fridge, of course. I just have some, you know.
Ooh, we're doing healthy.
Healthy lifestyle.
Healthy, okay.
Health as well.
Health as well.
And yeah, I need to fill that in. Don't worry, like it's not like in there yet. And obviously this dining room is a dining table. It came all furnished and it's so lit because it's literally exactly my style. So I'm obsessed. This oak table, and when I decide to learn how to cook, I can have some, you know, meals over here.
Okay.
My favorite part of this whole house are these French doors that lead onto the balcony, honey. So this is my balcony. Don't show the view too much because people might, you know, stalk me. Yeah, so this is my balcony. Come through, come through.
Come through.
So this whole place, this whole bit is my balcony. See, let me show it, honey.
Ooh, runway, honey. We gonna do dance. Whoa! We're gonna do a Zonto Warrior dance videos out here, honey. Ooh, G, ah.
So yeah, I can do little jogs over here. Why not? All of that.
Why not? You can actually train out here if you want to. Up and down. You could run. Look how big this is. From there.
It's kind of big, man. I like
to there. You're the first person to live in this spot, right?
To live here. Super cute.
Is that what we doing? No secondhand apartments. Got a little sunset situation. Okay.
Living. I got the keys. I got the keys.
Hey.
So you can see a bit better from this angle, like the whole plan of the apartment. So it just looks like this.
Where's your TV? Like, do you not even have a TV?
I don't have a TV because I'm gonna have a projector. It's gonna be lit. Like, I tried it last night and the projector literally goes throughout the whole wall, so it looks absolutely amazing. I'll show you guys when I've fully furnished, but it's gonna be lit. So that was the end of my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super happy, and thank you guys for your support, because obviously I would not be able to afford this without you guys. So I'm so grateful, and I'm looking forward to do more content for you guys. I have no excuse now, so it's about to be lit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.